You don't decide to sneeze, your brain does. When dust, light, or even a random memory tickles your nerves, your brain's reflex center fires a command before you even know it. In a split second it shuts your eyes, tenses your muscles, and launches air from your lungs at over 100 miles per hour. All to protect you. A sneeze isn't just a reaction, it's your brain's lightning-fast defense system, proof that even the smallest actions start in the mind. Make the subtitle bigger, make it a YouTube short video.